Hey everyone, happy Halloween. So, from the results of our poll, you guys overwhelmingly chose for me to draw Godzilla mixed up with a candy corn versus a candy apple. So, today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Godzilla in a candy corn form. So, hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our Candy Corn Godzilla, we're going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of go down, and it's going to come back up. Next, we're going to curve here for the actual eye. And then we're just going to make a couple little lines underneath here, and some coming down from the top. Up here, I'm going to make a couple little bumps for the eyebrow. And then right up here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come out, and then down here. We'll make a little line that just kind of comes back for the nose. And then we'll make a couple more little bumps here for the other eyebrow. Next, I'm going to kind of bring this line down and up, and I'm going to bring it back here. I'm going to curve this line down to here. We'll make a little line that comes back. I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to kind of curve it back to here. We'll make a couple little lines that come down here. And then we're going to fill up the top of the mouth with some sharp teeth. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of curve out here for the tongue. Next, I'm going to make some lines that just kind of go out, and then they just kind of come down here. Now, on the neck, I'm going to make some lines that are just going to kind of go down, and then we're going to kind of come back here. For the arm, I'm going to bring this line down. Now I'm going to make a couple little lines. I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to kind of curve down with a few points. We'll put about 3 here, and we'll bring it back up. I'm going to bring this line up and kind of curve it to here. Bring this line over and kind of make it skip and bring it back to here. And bring this line down. Now I'm going to curve this line down here and bring it out for the other arm. Make it come to a point and back. Then we're going to make 1, 2, and then 3 more little points up to here. Bring this line over and then up to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line kind of over and back up here with a V shape. And then we're going to make the leg. So I'm going to start here by bringing this line down. I want to make kind of like a broken circle shape where the knee would be. I'm going to bring this line down to here. I want to make a sharp claw here for one of the toes. Then another one here. And then we'll put that third one out here. Then I'm going to bring this line up and kind of curve it around here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and make another one of those broken circle shapes for the knee. Let's take this angle down. And then let's put a couple curve lines here. I'm going to make a little line down, and then a larger point right here. Now I'm going to make a smaller one here for this toe, and then I'm going to bring this up and in, and then back here. Next, let's go ahead and give Godzilla some claws, and we'll put some extra little lines kind of right around here. I like to do that just for like some wrinkles. Gives a little bit more detail on there. And then we can do that same thing on the toes as well. Let's just kind of add these curves with some extra little lines on here. Make a nice big sad face on this one because of the angle. And just kind of finish off this one here. Next, I'm going to make a couple more little lines that are going to come down here. Now, I'm going to leave some different little breaks in here. And I'm going to make a line that's going to come down with a couple more little bumps here. I'm going to make this line come up and kind of leave those little breaks in here. And then I'm going to curve it around. And then we're going to bring this line all the way down to here for the tail. Now, the reason we left all these little breaks in here is because we want to make his spikes. And since we're going to do like a candy corn style Godzilla, we're going to add all those spikes in here. So we're going to begin by kind of making some more rounder pointed spikes like this. And we're going to make them different sizes. We're not going to do the traditional like jagged spikes on Godzilla. We're going to make some more of these little rounded, almost like cone shapes. So we're going to put some different size ones. I'm just kind of filling up the area in here. So I'm going to put some on the tail too. And we're just going to put some different size ones all around here, just to add some detail. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to start adding some more of these on here. So I'm going to start making them some different sizes. And we're just going to make some kind of large pointed ones all around here. These are going to be all behind those other spikes that we made. So we're going to put these kind of coming all around here. Then I'm going to start adding even more on here, just to kind of really fill up some of these different spots. Just kind of really add detail and everything in there. And then I'm going to even put some more smaller ones on here as well. Just kind of fill in some different areas. And maybe a couple small ones kind of close to the head. So now we got our basic design. Let's come in here and add some of the different details to make them look a little more realistic. So I like to start at the head. I'm just going to make some broken lines right around the top and bottom of the mouth. Now I'm going to make some little lines kind of coming off the top of the nose, and they're going to curve back to here. We'll make a few little extra lines here, and then a couple little lines right around here. I like to do a broken line kind of right down the center, and then even kind of adding this little extra line. Just kind of shows where the top and the bottom of Godzilla are separated. I'm going to make some more kind of little extra lines here coming up, and a few little broken lines right along the body here. A little line across the hand, and then these little extra lines coming right around the arm. And then some more little extra lines right around here as well. And then some more kind of coming up. We're going to do some extra lines here. And then some more little lines kind of right around here. And some more little lines kind of coming up and down the legs here. Then we're going to do some more little lines kind of coming along the back. And we're going to do some extra lines right along the back of the tail here. Just all sorts of details, some coming down and some on the bottom. There's really no right or wrong way for you guys to put these on here. You can even add some little lines kind of coming up the sides of the spikes here. Our little candy corn spikes that we're going to add onto here. So we're just going to add these. I like to do them just on one side. That way it kind of adds a little bit of detail onto there. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Candy Corn Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.